fucking 5-year-old. Hi, welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how we make what?
Maybe we should change the name to Mama Anna's Kitchen today.
Well, he messes with me all
Sister
the time.
Anna's Kitchen.
So come over here and you can see this is the stew for the steak pie. And this is about 6 pounds of meat because we're having a lot of family over.
It's only 7.
7 pounds. I think it's 6 or 7 pounds
It
of
is,
meat.
yes.
What is it?
And basically it's stew meat and an onion, salt and pepper right now, and then we just cover the meat with enough water, and that's what we've been cooking it on high in the crock pot all morning.
Since 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
No, the ingredients, the recipe will be in the description.
That they will be in the description, the recipe. So what we flavor it with and thicken it with is this wonderful stuff. We say it's from Scotland. It may be from
It
England. Is it Scottish or English?
It's British.
British, but we say Scottish because we're Scottish. These are gravy granules, and it's called Bisto. And if you want to try it and test it out, you could buy it on Amazon.
Or at the
British
market, the
British market.
marketplace.
Yeah. Okay,
No, what's
so
that place?
you add hot water to it, and it gets thickened. Sorry. Well, I'm doing my part. It's not your part yet.
But I'm engaging with you.
See this, Bill? See how it thickened right there?
Oh, that was really good thicken.
It did thicken, yeah. Incorporate it into here. Yeah. Oh my God. And it will flavor it
Is that
and
enough?
make it like a gravy. No, I'm gonna add, I'll probably do this like 3 times with this.
In a matter of how long?
I think we're almost at the end,
So
so
let's see how it looks right now.
yes,
It's kind of watery still
still watery.
How long has it been in the crock pot for?
since 9 a.m.
I am, we told you that.
Not-
They don't know what time it is.
Oh,
Oh, this is true. It is.
I'll tell you in 12 seconds. It's 4:30.
It is 4:46.
4:46, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 hours. This has been in for almost 8 hours.
And we just added the Bisto now.
We just added the Bisto part. So then I'm gonna wait probably another 15 minutes and I'll add more because I don't want to over thicken it. It's the thickness. Remember we talked about this before. Okay, so now we'll go over to my sister. Normal steak pie, well she'll tell you that part.
We're gonna have puff pastry with it. And usually people incorporate the steak pie
Into a pie.
into the pie paste, but we are going to make a deconstructed steak pie.
I'll try it.
Okay.
No, all right.
And it is going to be as a side. We're going to use it as a side, along with mashed potatoes. So we are just going to cut them into pieces, even pieces. This comes out, as you guys know, puff pastry comes out as one slab. We're going to cut it into 9 pieces.
And we're gonna do 4 of them.
Oh, we are?
Yes, but Danny and Eric will each 12 of them.
Oh, okay. Well, they're not very even, but that's okay. Danny and Eric can have the big ones. Okay, then we're going,
Yeah, measure before cutting.
no,
Why not?
because it's deconstructed.
Constructed.
Oh, deconstructed. She asked me if I could say that word, and I said yes. Apparently I'm illiterate.
And we're gonna brush them with egg wash before we put them in the oven.
How many are
And those go in the oven for probably about 15 minutes on like 400. I'll write the proper temperature and time when I figure it out, because I think I might have.
Okay. Should I do this other one?
She's blaming you, man.
Sure. So when we come back,
I know, I
also over here we have 2 pots of potatoes, because it's basically stew, mashed potatoes, the puff pastry,
and peas.
and peas. And we're not gonna make all the peas that we bought because apparently Fiona and
Alec,
Alec likes peas.
Fiona, and
Eric and Danny, me, you, and Billy, and Alec are the only ones that will eat
Okay.
peas. So when we come back, it'll be mashed potatoes. It just looks heavenly.
I'm just,
so
I screwed this up.
it's okay. You got it in for it. It doesn't matter.
Add a map.
There's gonna be little ones, big ones. Who cares? Size does not matter in this. It's
actually make this. I've never made this for my children before.
Yeah, your children told me you don't cook at all.
Well, no, I cook every night, but my children are very picky.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, I make the Scottish stuff for my kids because
So,
they, you know, they were brought up with my mom cooking it because they lived here.
Yeah, Granny always cooked for us.
Yeah. Oh, I cooked.
no, you didn't.
Oh,
Not,
shut
not
up.
until recently.
Oh, shut up. I
Once you
did
hit
so.
50, you decided to start cooking.
Yeah, right. Okay.
We saw your cake on the last episode.
Yeah, that was not good. I hope this one's better. Okay, we'll be back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
Welcome back to Mama Deb's Kitchen. We are going to prepare a plate for Eric for you guys to see the steak pie. He does not eat it with peas, so there'll be no peas on the plate.
This is just the peas that we use with butter.
Yes. So my sister's gonna take out the puff pastries. Look at those. We got a pile of mashed potatoes here. We're Scottish. Mashed potatoes are very important. Okay, so I have Eric's plate prepped. Put 2 of those on there. Use those ones. They're not so hot.
My hands.
With your hands, yes. It's our kitchen. We're not gonna get like the
Letters. Great.
yeah. Eric James. Here we go. See, I did the Bisto one more time, and I'll put the measurements on when I post the recipe. Do you want it next to it or on it?
Either way.
Look at this meat.
Do you have the plate? If
I
let
have
go?
the plate. A little juice
So
around
good.
it. There.
It's piping hot.
I just want to show them how tender this meat is after you cook it.
He's watching another thing.
See how it just breaks apart. Okay, Eric, come do the taste test, and then you
You know,
can go
I
back and
am
watch it
here
another
too.
day.
I could be your taste tester.
Yeah,
Oh, you could.
Yes, is gonna do it.
I'm
Yeah.
joking. Come and
No,
do it.
please.
No, come and do it.
Hey, Billy, get them in there.
I would have put peas on it.
It's
The
hot.
whole 9 yards would have been on there. But that's good.
Him and Danny love the puff pastries, and they'll eat like 6 of them with their,
Danny, yeah.
him and Danny and him. Sorry. How's it?
Take it with delicious.
Thank you for this segment. I'll have Billy show like a full plate, like I'll do my brother's plate, and you'll see like really how a Scottish man eats steak pie with the peas and all. We'll be back to finish, just to show that play to Uncle Alex.
Right.
And then, can you want to say bye?
Bye.
Thank you for joining in. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.